Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video tutuloy natin ang series on laws of exponents. No? Sabi natin, from the previous videos, meron tayong mga rules na natutunan itong mga to. No? So, pag meron tayong same base and then we multiply, ang nangyayari is we add the exponent. Pag nag-divide naman tayo, we subtract the exponent. Tapos depende yung sagot depende kung alin yung mas malaki, yung exponent ba sa numerator or sa denominator. No? So, ito yung rules natin. No? Although hindi natin ito masyadong sinusunod kasi wala pa tayong negative exponent. So, um, anyway, you can watch the illustrations. No? And kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga previous videos. Now, pag meron tayong expressions such as this, ang gagawin natin is to, mas maganda kung i-separate natin yung expression. Pagsamasamahin natin yung numbers, tapos pagsamahin din natin yung magkaparehong variables. So, pwede natin siyang isulat as 36 over negative 4. No? Times yung m, pagsamahin natin, m raised to the 9th over m raised to the 5th, no? Tapos times n raised to the 6th over n raised to the 8th. No? So 36 divided by negative 4 is negative 9 times by this law, no? Mas malaki yung m, no? Mas malaki yung 9. So pwede na natin subtract ng diretso. And then, ito mas malaki yung sa baba. So, magiging 1 over n raised to the 8. No, mas malaki yung n. Mas malaki yung nandito kaysa sa m. So, 8 yung minus natin sa 6. No? So, magiging negative 9 times m to the 4th times 1 over n squared. No? So, pag whole number, para hindi nakakalito, lagyan lang natin ng over 1. Lahat. Pag hindi siya fraction, pwede natin lagyan over 1. Para we multiply all the numerators and all the denominators. So, negative 9 times m to the 4th times 1 is negative 9 m to the 4th. And then, yung ating denominator, n squared. Although nagme-memorize tayo ng rules, meron tayong mga, the reason kung bakit ito. No? So, pwede nating, another solution for this would be, this is equal to, same pa rin, 36 divided by negative 4. And then we have m to the 9th over m to the 5th times n to the 6th over n to the 8th power. So again, this is still negative 9 over 1, katulad nito. Ang m to the 9th, pwede natin siyang isulat as gusto natin i-cancel tong m to the 5th, no? So, dapat may m to the 5th din tayo dito. But by law of exponent number 1, ina-add natin yung exponent. Pag nagmumultiply tayo ng expression, no, na with the same base. So, may m to the 5th tayo. Ang matitira na lang m to the 4th. No? Kasi m to the 4th times m to the 5th is m to the 9th. No? By this rule. No? So, tapos meron tayong m to the 5th sa baba. Ganon din, same principle here. Dapat meron tayong n to the 6 sa baba. No? So, kung alin yung mas malaking exponent, dapat ika-cancel natin yung mas maliit. So, meron tayong malaking exponent na n to the 8th, meron tayong maliit na exponent na n to the 6th. Dapat may n to the 6 tayo dito para matanggal siya. So, n to the 6th, ang matitira na lang ay n squared, ng n to the 6th. And then we cancel, no? So, magiging negative 9 over 1 times m to the 5th, maka-cancel, magiging 1. So, m to the 4th over 1, m raised to the 4th over 1, times, ito maka-cancel siya, magiging 1. 1 over n squared times 1 over n squared. So, again, negative 9m, 9 times m to the 4th times 1 is negative 9m to the 4th over 1 times n squared. So, pareho, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo i-memorize yung rules. But I think pakita ko na rin sa previous videos na pwede nyo gawin ganito. Pero ito yung pinaka-generalization natin. Siguro we'll have another example. Let's have negative 18, it's number 2, negative 18 x to the 4th y cubed divided by 4x squared y to the 8th, and then z. So, ang kakaiba itong example na to kasi meron tayong variable na walang pare. So, paano ginagawa natin pag ganyan? Okay, later, i-discuss natin. So, again, yung pag-iwalay natin, magiging negative 18 over 4 times x to the 4th over x squared times y cubed over y to the 8th power times, ang saan ng z nasa ilalim, di ba? So, dapat nasa ilalim yung z pag wala siyang kapare. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng 1. No? So, this is negative 18 over 4. Kailangan natin i-simplify, lowest terms. This becomes negative 9 over 2, no? And then x to the 4th over x squared is x to the 4 minus 2 by this law. No? And y cubed over y to the 8 is the same as 1 times 1 over y raised to the 8 minus 3, no? And then times 1 over z. Okay, so this becomes negative 9 over 2. Ang x to the 4th minus 2 is x squared, no? And then times y 1 over y to the 5th times 1 over z. So para hindi tayo malito, lagyan na natin ito ng over 1 kasi wala naman siya, hindi naman siya fraction. So negative 9 over 2. So negative 9 times x squared times 1 is negative 9x squared. And then 2 times 1 times y to the 5th z is 2y to the 5th z. No? So tama na to, pero minsan nilalagyan natin yung negative sa gitna para yan, to make it more elegant. But anyway, this is already the correct answer. So ako, I don't mind kung nakaganyan. Pero mas maganda kung nakaganyan. Sa mga libro nakikita nyo, usually nakaganyan siya. So basically, that's it for the quotient rule. No? Later, pag samasamahin na natin, meron pa tayong isang dito, no? yung n minus m na to. Pwede kasi siya maging actually negative exponent siya. Kaso, hindi pa natin napag-aaralan yung negative exponent, so hindi ko pa siya dinidiscuss. No? Maganda kasi yung series na syempre hindi natin ma-discuss yung hindi pa natin napag-aaralan. No? Okay, so I hope meron ka natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ka invite sa ating Facebook page and ating YouTube channel. No? Hanapin nyo lang sa YouTube yung Sipnayan. No? And then kung meron kayong hinahanap, for example, kahit wala kayo sa Sipnayan YouTube channel, i-type nyo lang yung Sipnayan at yung topic na gusto nyo. For example, Sipnayan laws of exponent, lalabas naman yun. No? So, maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.